What's up, guys? We are headed off on our road trip. We are super excited. Layla's in the back.
My princess.
And we are headed to Valladolid. It is probably, what, 2-ish?
About 2 hours from here, from Puerto Morelos.
Not a long drive.
So why are we going there? Well, here's the thing. If you haven't heard of it, it's a very famous city here in the Yucatan Peninsula for its culture, a lot of heritage, the food. It's got some very famous cenotes that are actually right in the middle of town. There is another set of ruins, Ekbalam, I believe if I'm saying that right, which is about 20 minutes north of the city. And there's just a bunch of activities and things to see and do. And so we're going for 4 nights. Actually, we looked at the weather and we're like, shit, we picked the wrong time to go. Apparently it's supposed to be raining the whole time. But we're still going to plan on seeing what we can do and making the best of it. So we're about to hit the road and we will be bringing the footage to you guys.
We ain't scared of no rain. Let's party. Alright guys, so we made it here to Valladolid and we have an adorable little place that we're staying at, so I wanted to show you guys around. So here we are outside of our Airbnb. Cute little gate. So we're gonna walk up here. So one thing to note in the rain in Mexico is there's tile everywhere and it gets wet and it slicks, so you have to watch your step. And doors tend to lock behind you, so you'll easily lock yourself out. So the door's already open, so I didn't lock myself out. Here we are in our living room area. And look at this cool little outside area that's like in the middle here. Very cool. There's the husband.
This place is cool, man.
Very cool.
Yeah, I'm very excited. It's huge. Where'd you see the bedrooms?
So here's the little kitchen area.
So if you notice something in this kitchen, you know, through all of our travels, we've stayed at enough Airbnbs, and what you don't see is a stovetop. This is actually a very common thing. People will have these, this is actually gas, but usually it's a electric burner. So this is very common in the Mexican. So no cabinetry, no shelving. It's always seems to be extra. So it's just kind of the way it is here. Very interesting.
There's a little sliding glass door to head outside. Very cool little shelving unit there. There's our road trip partner, Layla. Yes, girl, you're in the way. Okay. So here's bedroom number 1. Interesting little lamps they have here. AC, shelving units, fan, and bedroom number 2. We got 2 beds in here, also shelving, AC, and a fan. A little TV you probably won't use. And last but not least, bathroom. Pretty standard shower, toilet, sink kind of thing. So that is our little place, little outdoor area again. Very cool.
Yep.
So we are starving, so we're about to go find something to eat. Buenos dias. So we just woke up and got ready for the day. We walked around the corner, maybe a block from our Airbnb, and we're ready to have breakfast. They put some amazing looking salsas on the table, so we are excited and starving.
Yeah, I don't know what they're cooking back there, but it smells awesome right now. We're having to watch the weather really closely today because there's going to be some big heavy storms passing through the area. So we're trying to time it right for our activities to what we want to go do and explore and obviously film. We're gonna get our breakfast.
And then we'll figure out what the heck we're doing today. Well, we had an amazing breakfast and then we decided to take a walk down to what we consider the city square. We think that's where we're at. You see this amazing fountain behind us, and there's a beautiful cathedral right in front of us. And we've just been walking around enjoying the beautiful architecture. I mean, this place is absolutely incredible. The colors, the greenery of the grass, like, oh my God, like, I am in love with this place.
Yeah.
Like, I would probably come back and stay for a while.
This place is absolutely beautiful. It's so chill. You know, we're about a mile from this whole downtown area. It seems to be the main hub of everything. We're about a mile away, so we decided to walk it. That's one of our favorite things to do, is just walk. So you miss so much driving or being in a bus or something. If you just get out and walk around, you can just stop and look in the shops and really get a feel for everything. The city's just so beautiful. Having a great time here.
Yeah, we're loving it. I mean, it took us maybe 30 minutes to walk here from our Airbnb, and that was just taking it slow, like looking at stuff, because there's so much to see. Like Greg said, you know, when you get to walk around, you see all the little shops, and you get to really see what they're doing in there and greet people and just make some personal connection with folks, and we just really enjoy that.
For sure. We're gonna get the drone up here in a few and see if we can get some good footage. We've got a good break in the rain, so we're taking advantage of it. It's supposed to rain on and off all day, and so far the gods are shining upon us. We haven't got soaked yet, and we're on foot, so we're just gonna keep hoofing. We'll keep hoofing around the city here and see what else we can come up with.
Walking on this adorable little street. It connects from the city center to the San Bernardino convent, where the beautiful Valladolid sign is. And we are just in love with this place. Like, you can see from behind us the architecture and how beautiful the street is.
It's lunchtime, guys, and we just found an amazing barbecue place on the street. Ribs, chicken, pork. We're not sure really what we ordered. We just kind of said, give us the mix, and that's what we're getting. And oh my God, this place, if you can see it, like right there, that is what we're here. So it's coming this way. Get a bite and tell us what you think.
This is probably one of the best things I have eaten since I've been in Mexico. No lie.
I feel like we've been missing grilled protein so much. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All the ribs.
Outstanding.
And we're gonna wait till tomorrow or what, Saturday, I should say. No, I'm sorry, what's today? It's Thursday.
It's Thursday.
So either we're gonna wait for Friday or Saturday to go to the Ekbalam ruins.
It connects from the city center to the San Bernardino, I can't even talk.